Let's do some EFT tapping together on the fear that you won't recover. So just go ahead and start tapping here on the side of the hand. Take a breath and let yourself notice what you're feeling in your body, what you're ruminating on, whether this is an injury, an illness. I know this can be super scary. You're actually welcoming up the fear right now so that we can be present with it. And that's what helps this process. So keep tapping here, side of the hand, repeating after me. Even though I'm really afraid that I'm not going to recover, that this isn't going to get better. And I choose to have compassion for myself. Even though I'm afraid, I'm not going to recover. Or what if it gets even worse? And I choose to honor myself where I'm at anyway. And even though this is really scary, this is a challenging situation, and I'm afraid it's not going to get better. I may even be afraid that because I feel afraid, I'm hurting my healing, or I need to be more positive. And I choose to have compassion for myself and all the pressure and fear that I feel. Okay, let's go through the points now. Just keep repeating after me. All this fear that I won't recover. This is very scary. And I'm noticing where I'm holding the tension in my body, how I'm breathing, how this fear is presenting itself. And the first thing I'm going to do, as unnatural as it might seem, is actually give the fear permission to be here. All my desire to get rid of the fear, anything I may have learned that said fear is bad or wrong. But I may have heard the saying that what I resist persists. Fear is a healthy emotion. It doesn't feel good. And I may be saying to myself, I want to be confident. But it starts with allowing the fear to be here. Not judging myself for my reactions. I'm allowed to feel what I'm feeling. This might be a scary situation. I don't want to have this injury or this illness. And my mind may be racing in all of the imagined future that makes this so scary. But I choose to relax some of the pressure on myself. I don't have to try to think a better thought right now. I don't have to try to visualize a fully recovered self. I give myself permission to be here now, feeling what I feel. Even sending love and support to the feelings I feel. I don't need to judge my own reactions to this. I'm allowing my body to process these emotions. I'm allowing myself to process that fear is arising. And the more I welcome it, and welcome the energy of that emotion to move through my body, the more I can feel this happening right here, right now. No pressure to fix or change anything. My body's having a natural response. I'm allowing myself not to fight it. And as things begin to move, as I give the fear permission to be felt to completion, however much time or space that needs, I'm noticing that even if emotions are here, that there can be more spaciousness, that I can be with my body in a different way, that is more supportive. I don't have to do this perfectly. I'm allowing my own presence and awareness to be here with my body right now. And if anything does feel natural to me, like perhaps I see a white light, or think of a healing presence, or the energy of someone I love or care about, anything I can call on without forcing anything, just to further support my body, to support myself emotionally, to give space for all emotions, which the more I can allow the fear or doubt, the more space there is for peace and acceptance of the possibility that my body's actually very intelligent. It doesn't need me to do this perfectly. It doesn't punish me for having the right or wrong emotions. Just giving myself space and support. And whenever fear or doubt arises, this is an emotion that happens sometimes. I allow it to be felt and move through me. And allow myself to be present right here, right now. With my body, with myself. Respecting the intelligence of this body. Now let's pause, take a breath. Just keep tapping on your collarbone. We'll wrap it up here in a sec. And then what you might notice is if there is anything else you notice connected to this that might be contributing to the fear. Any events from your past, any memories that may have come up that may lead you in another direction, may lead you to another video on the channel around a particular emotion or relationship with mom or dad or anything like that. Just keep practicing this. Give yourself space. Allow the emotion to be felt. Don't force that you have to think the right thoughts for recovery. Feel free to leave a comment or reach out if you want further support on a specific direction. And I hope this helps. Thanks so much.